So today we're gonna lubricate the ratchet, and in this case, on the Harbor Freight ratchet, we got the Torx. It's the really small Torx, 8. I usually do this to pretty much all of my ratchets. Make sure you have yourself I got a magnetic tray. Wow, this is already seems to be some stuff in there. No, I'm gonna be honest with you. I kind of tortured this a little bit before, so oh shoot. I think I might have ruined it already. See the teeth? I think I might have ruined it already. Oh well. We'll test the warranty. So, that's different. This. Oh, I dropped it. There it is. Ugh. This is going to go in right here. Now I didn't show you guys though, but I put an impact on this and I hit it in there. So that's probably why you see that stuff in there. The only reason I didn't post it is because the reason I didn't post it is because there was music in the background from the neighbors. So I just put that in there like that. I think I already damaged this one though. You can see those little pieces. Those pieces came off of right here. I already damaged it. See the pieces? It's okay. We'll keep using it anyways. I just wanted this video, I wanted to show what I use basically for the lube. It's just caliper lube, ultra disc brake caliper lube, and I just pretty much put it in there. And I don't know, but I have some ratchets that I use this stuff on. I put way more than necessary. And I mean, people use my ratchets. It's funny. They're like, "What'd you do to this? Why is it so quiet?" It's just, I just do this. Any ratchet I'm gonna use, I put way more than necessary, because some of it comes out. Way more than necessary. Like I said. So it looks like I already damaged this thing. Too bad I couldn't show you guys that one. This bigger one right here goes right in the middle. These go on the side. This one ain't going down. There's something popped off. Switch it from the bottom. Oh, you see? I might have to have this in the center. There we go. I just had to flip it. There we go. I have to push up the bottom piece to get that to go. There we go. Now I got it. Hold it from the bottom. There we go. I do this to all my ratchets. To me, it just seems like it lasts longer. You'll see when it heats up. I already damaged this ratchet though. You can see. And like I said, unfortunately, I can't show you that video because it gets flagged because it has music, because they were having a party. It's a lot more quiet. You can see some of the metal pieces though. Metal pieces that came off of the teeth. That came off of the teeth. Now I hit it with an impact that had like 500 pounds. You can see the damage that it did to it. But we'll do it again. Anyways, that's just how I lube my ratchets. I do that to all my ratchets. Put some of that's the lube that I use for my ratchets. That sucks, man. I already broke it. We're going to finish breaking it, though. We'll finish breaking this ratchet, and then I'll take you guys into Harbor Freight, and we're going to try to warranty it, see how the warranty goes with it. See if they honor their a lifetime warranty. So once again, you got the three screws in there holding it on. This ratchet already looks like it's been used quite a bit, huh? And you'll see once it gets hot though, some of the stuff starts coming out right here. You just wipe it down. Nobody really uses grease too often. They use just the oil, but I use this. It feels like, to me, it almost makes it stronger, in my opinion. That's what I use. I know people have asked me before what I use. I use this in all my ratchets. It's a synthetic lubricant. You can go on online and find it. That's what I use. I do this to all my ratchets, every one of them. People use my ratchets and they're like, "What'd you do to this thing? It's so quiet." I don't know. That's what I put in there. It's never given me any problems. As long as it's like a sealed type of ratchet, it's never given me a problem. I've used in every single one of my ratchets. So anyways, give it a try. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Coming up, I'm going to find a way to torture test these to break them, and then after that we'll try to do warranty, see what they do with the warranty. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.